There's 50 years of history, and 50 before that, all gathered in the thinking going on beneath our hats. The cold flame burns within us till our skin's as cold as ice, and the dues we paid to get here are worth every sacrifice. All the miles spent driving, all the what-ifs and nearlies, all the bandages and pain, all the fever and the fight are just a small down payment on the ride we make tonight. It's guts and love and glory. One mortal's chance at fame. Our legacy is trucks, and Ram is our name.